Today, I will show you how you can make some serious cash with Alibaba using nothing but your smartphone. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start hustling, let us dive into the top 7 ways to make money using your smartphones. Yes, so besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today I will show you how you can start making money using Alibaba. If you have ever wondered how to tap into the vast potential of this platform for profit, you are in the right place. Yes, so I'm going to cover everything from sourcing products to selling them online. So let's just jump right into it. If you're new here, by all means do well to like today's video and subscribe and share with your friends and your village members. In case you're wondering, what is Alibaba? First off, let's quickly explain what Alibaba is. Alibaba is a global e-commerce platform based in China that connects buyers with suppliers. It's a marketplace where you can source products at wholesale prices, which you can then sell for a profit. Whether you're interested in dropshipping, private labeling, or bulk purchasing, Alibaba has a lot to offer. First thing you need to do is to set up your account. Yes. To get started, you will need to create an account on Alibaba, and here is how to go about it. Go to www.alibaba.com. Visit the website, click on Join Free and create an account. Fill in your details, enter your email, create a password, and fill in your business information. This will help suppliers verify your legitimacy. Then go ahead and verify your account. Check your email for a verification link from Alibaba and confirm your account. Yes, the next thing to do is to source products. Yes, once your account is set up, it is time to start sourcing for products. Here is how to do it effectively. So go ahead and use the search bar. Type in the products that you're interested in. Alibaba has a vast range of categories, so be specific to find what you need. Then filter the search. Yes, filter your search. Use filters to narrow down results. You can sort by minimum order quantity, by price and supplier ratings, then check supplier profile. Please note, Alibaba is the wholesale version of AliExpress. So Alibaba is wholesale, AliExpress is retail. Just to clarify that. Look for verified suppliers with good reviews and ratings. Always check their transaction history and communication response time to ensure reliability. The next step is to request samples. Yes, before committing to a large order, it is wise to request samples, and here is how to go about it. Contact suppliers. Reach out to potential suppliers and request samples. Most of them will charge a small fee, but it is an important step to ensure quality. Then evaluate the products. Once you receive the samples, evaluate them for quality, for packaging, and shipping time. This will help you decide if you want to move forward with that supplier. You're able to feel the products, you're able to see the products. Is it as big as the said on their website, or is it worse than when you see it physically? Is the product really worth it? Now you need to choose your selling method. Now that you have your products, it is time to decide how you want to sell them, and here are a few popular options. You can do drop shipping. You can set up an online store and list products from Alibaba without holding any inventory. So when someone places an order, you can buy from the supplier and have them ship it directly to your customer. You can also do private labeling. You can purchase products in bulk, add your branding, and sell them under your brand name. It requires a bit more investment upfront, but it can lead to higher profits. So you can sell on marketplaces. So consider selling your products on platforms like Amazon, like eBay, and Etsy. Now, these are marketplaces that already have a customer base, which makes it easier to reach buyers. Next thing you need to do is to set up your online store. Yes, that's the step 5. So if you choose to create your own online store, here is a quick guide. Choose an e-commerce platform. There are popular options like Shopify, like WooCommerce, and like BigCommerce. These platforms make it easy to set up and manage your store. Then you can design your store. You can use templates to create a professional looking website. So make sure to include high quality images and detailed product descriptions. Then set up payment methods. Yes, choose payment gateways like PayPal, like Stripe, or credit card options to facilitate transactions. And then when it comes to marketing your products, please, now that your store is set up, you need to market your products, and here are some strategies that you need. I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so please watch this video all the way till the end. So you can use strategies like social media marketing. There are platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Use it to showcase your products. Then run ads to reach a broader audience. Then you can also optimize your websites for search engines to drive organic traffic. Then use relevant keyword in your product descriptions. You can also do email marketing. You can build an email list and send out newsletters with promotions and updates about new products. Then monitor and adjust. Yes, this is the importance of analytics. Monitor your sales and your customer feedback and use analytics tools to track performance and make adjustments as needed. Then pay attention to which products are selling well and which are not, so that you can refine your offerings. Then next thing you need to do is start making money with Alibaba today. Here is your complete guide on how to make money with Alibaba. So whether you choose dropshipping, private labeling, or selling on marketplaces, the opportunities are endless. Now, let me give you one new tip. Firstly, if you're a content creator, you can make money as an affiliate. Yes, on Alibaba. Yes, you can. When you refer people to them, they will also pay you monthly. Yes, they pay you monthly, just like Temu. They pay you every month to shop, and then you also earn on commission. Yes, so don't say I didn't tell you. And I'm sure you're hearing it for the first time on this channel. Yes, you're welcome. So this is how to enter for my own personal giveaway. But before we get to that segment, if you're new to this channel, please by all means introduce yourselves. I really want to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper more. So let me just go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know how we do it. I share various ways to make money that no one is actually looking at. Yes, on my channel, I also shared various ways to get money from rich people. Yes, websites where rich people just give away free money. If you have not seen that video, go to my channel. You know, we're not sleeping here. We're not playing here. Yes. So basically, that is about it for today. Let's about helping you win. It's about making money and make it become the best version of yourself. So if you have not checked out my previous videos, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out my previous videos. Introduce yourself. I want to know, yes, you. I'm talking about you that are watching me right now. What is your name? Where are you watching from? Yes. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments. I am nosy like that. I want to know you guys. I want to meet all of you. I want to give you guys a virtual hug. And I'm building a genuine community here. It's not just about you guys coming to watch my videos. I want to know you for real. I want to meet you. What's your name? What do you do? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? I want to say thank you to whoever sent my video to you. Did you find it on YouTube while you were scrolling through the streets of the internet? Or you're browsing through YouTube? How did you find my video? Did you type it in the search and you found it, or you heard my name somewhere? You seen one of my videos, or you seen one of my channels, before, and you decided to, look for this video. So yes, I would like to really know you guys. And yeah, that is about it. Oh, the giveaway. I almost forgot. So basically, I'm giving away $100 cash gifts, and here is how to enter for my own personal giveaway. 1 second. So basically, this $100 is for you. So all you need to do to claim this $100 from here into your pockets, right, is to join my Telegram community. Yes, join my Telegram community and add 50 people into my Telegram community. So how you can achieve that is by sending my link to 500 people or 1,000 people, so that at least 10% of them will join my Telegram community. Minimum of 50 people. Once you're sure that you've added 50 people into my Telegram community, come back to this video, let me know in the comments. Tell me, Miriam, I've added 50 people, and I will verify, and then I will send you this cash gifts. I'll send you this cash through Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle, yes, or Western Union money transfer. So I'm happy, I'm willing, able to send it to you anywhere you are in the world. So this is waiting for you. Don't worry, I don't do cash, so yes, don't worry, it's just waiting for you. So best is let me know in the comments once you have added everyone in my Telegram community. And yes, I can't wait to just transfer this money to you, ain't me? Here you go, sweetie. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell for my channel so that I get notified every single time I drop a new video right here. I'm your girl Miriam. I'm your girl, your bestie. All right, guys, in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Love you all.